A man got lost in a desert and had exhausted all the water that he had carried a couple of days ago. He knew for sure that if he didn't get some water, he would certainly die. But although completely exhausted, the man didn't give up the hope. He kept walking and hoping some sign of good fortune. Suddenly, he saw a small hut at some distance. Could it be a mirage, he thought, or maybe just hallucination? But having no other options, he edged closer to the hut just to realize that the hut was real. Gathering the last bit of energy, he dragged his entire tired body inside the hut, and but the hut was empty, and it seemed like that it had been abandoned for quite some time. Suddenly, his heart skipped a beat. What was in the heart? What did he see? Hand pump, a water finally. He was overjoyed and began walking. But no water came out. He tried harder and yet harder, but there was no water. Finally, putting every energy, he he gave up out of exhaustion and frustration and sat down, thinking that maybe I am destined to die today out of thirst. But there was a second ray of hope. He noticed a bottle in one corner of the hut. It was filled with water, corked up to prevent from evaporation. He uncorked the bottle. As he was just about to drink the water, he noticed a piece of paper attached to it, a handwritten message. He read. The message was, kindly use this water to start the hand pump and don't forget to fill the bottle when you're done. Now the man was completely in a fixed situation, in a dilemma. What to do, what not to do. To follow the instruction and pour the water into the pump, or just ignore it and drink the water. What if he put the water inside the pump and if it didn't get work? Or maybe the instruction can be true. Should he risk it? And if it turn out to be a false, so it is the last bottle, it is the last water that he would ever see. Have you ever been in a situation like this, where there are only two options are left and uncertainty about which one will work? What will you do and which one will you choose? Well, you have to choose one out of two, and also willing to bear whatever the consequences it will bring. Many people, many of us, do not decide. They remain they continue to remain in a fixed situations and confused, and they do not take risk. The man decided to take a leap of faith. With with trembling hand, he poured the water into the pump, closed his eyes, said a prayer, and began walking. He heard a gurgling sound. The water started coming down, gushing out the way more he can use. He drank cool and refreshing water to contain his hurt. He was overjoyed. Now he can be alive. He looked around into the hut and found a pencil and map of the region. And map showed that he was far away from the civilization. But for sure he knew now where he is right now and in which directions he had to go for next. He started his journey, and as per the instructions, he also filled up the water And Cogdit also added his own line below the instruction. Believe me, it works. Most of us may not be confronted situations like this, but we have our journey to, to continue. We have our decision to take it. If our decision goes in a right way, we will inspire the people by telling them. And unfortunately, if our decisions do not go in the right situations, then we will tell the people to take right decisions, not in such type of decisions. Thank you for listening me. Have a nice time. Have a good time.